Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe and bell button so that you are notified every single time that I post and become a gem today. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing and review of my red iguana silicone practice hand, as well as swatching some iGel Beauty acrylics. So yeah, I ordered the hand on May 17, 2020 and received it on June 1st. Keep in mind, I ordered on a Sunday, so that is why it may have taken 2 weeks for me to receive. I got the left posable Annalisa hand, the nail replacement kit, and replacement nail tips for the full hand. I paid $223.94 and received a $23.20 discount because I used Prestaholics referral code. But $223.94 was my total with a discount. But you guys, I also will be showing you guys the code that I received in the box. But yeah, inside the beautiful pink box, it's pink and gold. It come with a thank you card and a manual. It came with this beautiful ring. You could use it on your practice hand or yourself, and I was happy about this because I thought people purchased the accessories elsewhere. The hand is so realistic and easy for me to move. It is soft like a real hand and not stiff. I got a skin tone that matched mine, and they do have other options if you would like to do the same. But during the pandemic, they're only shipping what they have right now, and then I think after June 5th or something like that, they will take custom orders. You do not have to use glue or put acrylic on the hand to use it. The tips did not slide or move, but I just held the finger. You guys will see that in the swatches I will be doing. You can most definitely use this hand without damaging it. I bought it to practice, especially for when I have a set on my hand already. But I love my hand, and it is definitely worth the money and an investment if you are serious about excelling in your nail career, or if you have a press-on nail business. It makes a great hand model for photos. The hand is also very beginner friendly, but I do not recommend using glue because the glue would get stuck under the cuticle and may cause buildup. I didn't do that, but it's just something that I was thinking as I was doing my iGel Beauty swatches. The nail beds are a normal size, and they're not narrow or anything, but they are wide and secure enough not to use glue. Also, you guys, in my order, I only received the hand. I did, as I mentioned before, order the nail kit and the replacement nail kit. I didn't have to even purchase both. I could have just got the nail kit, but I was just ordering stuff, just to do, this video for you guys. But it didn't come with my hand. I had contacted them, Red Iguana. I contacted them and was like, where's my stuff? You guys didn't send me everything that I ordered. And they were like, well, everything is on back order, our supplies and stuff. And I'm just like thinking like, okay, this is why Couture got a lot of backlash some time ago, because he was sending partial orders. But they were like, oh, well, we're going to send your stuff tomorrow. We're going to ship it out tomorrow because our shipment comes in tomorrow. But in my invoice that I didn't show you guys, they didn't even mention, that their stuff was on back order. But you guys, I was so freaking out. And in the next clip, I did show you guys, proof that I purchased everything. And I also sent that same screenshot, as well as my unboxing that I'm showing you guys. I sent it to Red Iguana because I'm like, what the hell, you guys? I thought I got scammed or something. But you guys, I'm so obsessed with this hand. You guys, I can't wait until my stuff come. I'll be doing another video, demonstrating how to use it, and a set that I'm going to be doing, or some swatches, because I have so many other supplies and stuff that I haven't showed you guys. But yeah, I'm going to let some of this video pass by. In the video also, you guys, I will be showing you guys a comparison with the hand versus my hand. The hand, well, my hand, I think it was actually a little bit bigger than this hand, but you guys, this hand is not heavy or anything like that. And it is so soft, so flexible. And I recommend, like, you know, if you want a good practice hand, you guys should get this one. I'm also thinking about buying like a little holder to hold my hand on while I practice, but I don't mind holding it while I practice because, like I say, you guys, it's not heavy or anything like that. But yeah, this is me comparing the hand to my skin color, and this is like the closest one that matched me. I think they have one a little bit darker than this one too. But yeah, I'm just putting the rings on, you guys. It looks so cute. And I'm so obsessed with this hand. And I'm even more happy that, you know, Red Iguana had wrote me back the same day that I contacted them. Because, you guys, I was so concerned. I really thought I got scammed, you guys. I was telling all my friends, like, oh my God, like, I ordered from this company because all the reviews and stuff I heard about the hand, and I really want this for my nail career and stuff, you guys. And I was just freaking out. But yeah, you guys, if you want this hand for like your nail business, or you know, to practice, or do, you know, show your pressed on nails and stuff like that, I recommend this hand, you guys. It looks so real and I'm obsessed. And I just want to thank Red Iguana for, you know, their great customer service and contacting me back the same day because I was freaking the hell out. But let me know in the comments if you have this hand or if you're thinking about purchasing it. I have a practice finger, you guys, by another company, and I spent $30 on that hand, well, that finger, and you guys, it's nothing like this hand, nothing. And it's super stiff, and I'm happy that I spent the money in one with Red Iguana. I know there's other companies that sell hands and stuff, but no, I'm happy I purchased this. But I'm just showing you guys my order right here, you guys, because I'm like, what the hell? I ordered everything and I only got my hand. But yeah, you guys, this is how much I spent. Now that's out the way, we're going to be getting into our unboxing of our mini eye gel beauty haul. And I'm going to be using my Eno Couture monomer. Excuse my hands, you guys. I've been using a lot of hand sanitizer, and I also did a soak off, so my hands are really, really dry. These are the acrylics that I picked out. Magic Mint, Shimmer Snow, 24 Karat, and Emerald. The first one I'm going to swatch is Shimmer and Snow. It's a glitter acrylic, and this is how it looks. This color I'm going to be swatching is Magic Mint, and it's a green shimmer color. And this is how it looks. This color reminds me of the matcha green tea latte from Starbucks. My next acrylic color is 24 Karat, and I am... What's this? It's acrylic. This was my favorite one and also the best swatching one, and you guys, look at it. Beautiful. I love it. Next acrylic is in the shade Emerald, and for this to be named after me, you guys, this acrylic was so runny and I had an attitude. No matter how much I drained my brush, you guys, it was runny. And I don't know, I swatched it like 3 times. But also, you guys, I want to say one thing about eye gel beauty. I know that there are dip and dabs, meaning that you can use them as a dip system. And people try to use that to justify why some of them suck and why some of them marble. And honestly, look, you guys, look at that. Honestly, you guys, it should be a great product, both ways. You know, you shouldn't have to mix it, you shouldn't have to shake it, you shouldn't have to do all these things just to get the acrylics to work. But I do like this color, but it was like runny and weird and I was over it. These are the acrylics swatched on a napkin. I didn't show you guys me swatching them on the napkin with all the colors, but that's how they look. And I'm going to show you guys how I remove the nail tips out of the hand. It was really easy. Oh, and that nail right there, you guys. I don't know what I was doing, but yeah, but the nails are really easy to remove out of the hand. This is what I mean by you guys don't have to use any glue or any acrylic on your hand to get the nails to stick, because they are pretty secure. And I honestly just put any nail tips in my hand. I didn't size them or anything. I just stuck some in there. And this is how my hand looks. But let me know what acrylics that you guys liked in this video, and if you're purchasing this hand. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And thank you for 240 subscribers. See you in my next video, you guys. Bye.